If you've ever Googled how to make money online using just your phone, laptop, and Wi-Fi, you're in the right place. Welcome to Internet Paydays, your new go-to YouTube channel for real ways to earn income online in 2025. No fluff, no scams, no experience or degree required. Whether you're chasing passive income, a side hustle, remote work, or even your first dollar online, we're here to help you turn your internet into income. What to expect? This is episode 0, your launchpad into a 30-video series covering the best online side hustles, broken down step by step. We cover freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital product creation, selling low-content books, YouTube automation, AI-powered income tools, and dozens of other ways to make money from home in 2025, starting with free tools and zero experience. Honest truth, free versus paid? Some methods are 100% free to start. Others require a few bucks for tools or subscriptions, and we'll break it all down for you. You'll always know what's free, what's low cost, what's worth the investment. We're transparent and focused on high ROI strategies that actually work. Sneak peek at what's coming. Here's just a taste of what we're showing you. How to start freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. How to build passive income with affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital downloads, and Canva templates. Building a faceless YouTube channel with AI publishing, low-content books on Amazon KDP. Making money with TikTok plus digital products. Becoming a ChatGPT virtual assistant. Selling voiceovers using 11 Labs. Starting a DMV paperwork side hustle. And that's just the beginning. Why you'll love it. Each episode is packed with real value. No gatekeeping, no hype, no vague tips. We show you exactly how to launch, grow, and automate your income streams using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, Pictory, Systeme.io, Notion, and more. Every episode includes a free toolkit, affiliate links to help you get started, and actual steps you can take today. Subscribe and join the movement. So if you're serious about building real online income, starting a business, or just getting paid to do something you enjoy, subscribe to Internet Paydays now. Turn on notifications. Drop a comment telling us which side hustle excites you the most. We'll reply and help you get started. This is Internet Paydays, where we help you turn your skills, phone, and AI tools into profit. See you in episode 1, where we show you how to start freelancing online, even with zero experience.